In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check block list on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Tap at gear to open up settings, and then just scroll down until you find blocking. If we tap on it, it will show us the list of users we have blocked on Facebook or Facebook Messenger. After that, we can unblock some user by hitting at unblock, and then also we can add another user to this list. Just tap at add to blocked list, search for a user, and then in that simple way you can block them. That's how you can easily check block list on Facebook.